This is a production of the game show. How well do you know Russia?
The name of Russia is the Russian Federation.
Oh yeah? Well, the birth rate in Russia is 11.05 males to every female.
The capital of Russia is Moscow.
The Principality of Muscovy extended to the Baltic Sea and was renamed the Russian Empire under Peter I's rule.
Lowest points the Caspian Sea at -28 meters.
Under the rule of Joseph Stalin, Russia gained control of the Soviet Union, strengthened communist rule, and cost tens of millions of lives to doing that.
Vladimir Lenin formed the USSR, which was also known as the Soviet Union.
General Secretary Gorbachev tried to modernize communism, but it ended up splintering the USSR into Russia and 14 other independent states.
Russia's GDP per capita is $15,900.
Eruptions and earthquakes are a major problem on the Kamchatka Peninsula.
The longest river in Russia is the Lena, which is 4,320 kilometers.
89.4% of Russians over the age of 15 can read and write.
Originally, Russia was the Principality of Muscovy.
The national anthem of Russia is the Gimn Russiageo Federasi, which means the national anthem of Russia.
Yeah, but you know, it was sung to the same exact tune as the Soviet anthem originally was. The birth rate is 11.05 per every 1,000 in the population.
Countries that border Russia include Belarus, China, Finland, Georgia, North Korea, Latvia, Lithuania, Mongolia, Norway, Poland, and the Ukraine.
The flag is 3 horizontal bars in the order of white, blue, and red.
Russia is the largest country in the world, with it being 17,075,200 square kilometers.
The official language is Russian.
The death rate in Russia is 16.04 per every 1,000 population.
School life expectancy is 14 years.
Under the rule of Joseph Stalin, Russia gained control of the Soviet Union, strengthened communist rule, and cost tens of millions of lives to doing that.
Theater, cinema, music, and arts are an important part of Russian life.
The average age for a Russian is 38.7 years.
The snowy owl, the Siberian tiger, and the muskox are unique to Russia.
The ethnicity for Russia is 79.8% Russian, 2% Ukrainian, and 3.8% Tatar.
The highest point in Russia is Gora Elbrus, which is 5,633 meters.
89.4% of Russians over the age of 15 can read and write.
The coastline is 37,653 kilometers long.
The national anthem of Russia is the Gimn Russiageo Federasi, which means the national anthem of Russia.
In fact, the population in Russia is 138,739,892.
What? No, how do you know that? No! 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 Russia!
And that concludes this recording of How Well Do You Know Russia?